If my kids are watching YouTube, they're learning something. If your kids need something to learn, pick an art lesson and let me do the rest. My name's Chris Fitz, and I love to draw and I love to teach. So this is my super simple art class for kids. You're going to need some supplies, a black pen or a marker, some colors, and a piece of paper. I can't wait to see what you create.
First, let's start with the head. Go a little bit off to the side of your paper and draw a little curved line. Then we're going to come from one of the sides. We're going to close it like a half circle. All right, next we're going to draw the shell. We're going to start in the back of the neck. You're going to draw a circle, but stop right before you get to the head. Start at the back of the head. Circle, stop. Now go to the center and we're going to draw a smaller circle.
There are 4,000 species of roly polies around the world. They go by other names like pill bugs, armadillo bugs, and doodle bugs, which I thought was pretty funny. They live about 3 to 4 years, and they have 7 sets of legs and segmented exoskeleton, just like the lobster.
All right, now let's draw the face. I'm going to draw 2 circles to the sides of the head, for the eyes, and then a smile. We're going to draw 2 antennae, line a circle, and a line a circle. You're going to draw all the legs in the inside, so this roly poly has curled up into a ball.
Believe it or not, roly polies are not bugs. They're terrestrial crustaceans. They are the only crustaceans that have adapted to live on the land, and their closest living relatives are the lobster and the crab and the shrimp.
Now let's draw the segments. So you're going to start at the outside of the shell and we're going to come to the center. And then start up high and you're going to come down close. And then just repeat that. Now when you get to the end, curve it in, and we'll draw another down a little bit under the chin and into the center.
Roly polies breathe through gills, and their ideal environment is somewhere that is wet and cold, like under logs, wet mulch, and underneath stones. They roll up into a ball when they're frightened and to help them retain moisture. So if you find a roly poly, it's best to leave it where you found it.
Now for fun, let's just add some designs.
The roly poly's shell molts in 2 parts a dozen times. The back half falls off first, and then several days later, the front half falls off. Sometimes they might look a little pink, and that's because they probably just molted part of their exoskeleton. Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Enjoy the music and some more fun facts, and hit that like button if you are enjoying this art lesson. A roly-poly's #1 job is to eat decomposing material, like their own poop. Gross! They also eat stink bugs, which is great because stink bugs eat crops, so in a way, roly-polies are natural insect repellent. Roly-polies are great for your garden because they act like a composter. They're there to eat all of the dead organic plant matter, and they can even consume heavy metals like lead, copper, and zinc. So they can actually survive in a very toxic environment. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class. Hit that subscribe button for new art classes and tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. Can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.